In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Opera browser. By the end, your browser will look and feel exactly the way you want, and the changes will apply instantly so you can see results as you go. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update first so you have the latest customization options and stability improvements. With Opera open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines icon. This is called Easy Setup. Click it, and a quick settings panel will slide out, giving you one place to adjust your look, sound, and layout without digging through deep menus. In the panel, begin with Theme. You can switch between light, dark, or a system matching option. Pick what's easiest on your eyes, especially if you work at night. Right below, try Theme Sounds. Turning this on adds subtle audio feedback for actions in the browser. If you prefer silence, leave it off. You'll also see Force Dark Mode on pages. This tries to darken websites that don't have their own dark theme. It's great for late night reading. If a page looks strange with it on, just toggle it back off and the site will return to normal. Next, choose wallpapers. These customize the background of your start page. Browse the built-in gallery to find a style that matches your vibe, or select an image from your device for a personal touch. If you pick an animated wallpaper, keep in mind it may use slightly more system resources than a static image. Finally, refine your start page, Opera AI, and layout. Here you can decide what appears on the start page, such as quick access tiles and news. Adjust the layout density to make elements compact for more on screen or comfortable for extra spacing. You can also toggle the Opera AI entry points if you want quick access to AI features on the start page. Take a moment to preview each change. Everything updates live, so you can fine-tune until it feels just right. That's it. Your personalized Opera experience is ready. Enjoy a browser that looks great and works the way you do.